Why, oi? Yo, look from the melon over there. Why, people?
Yo, people, you know what time it is?
Yeah.
Shoes lace. Lock up the place. Emma, go on.
They are family.
Yeah,
good to see you again.
Good to see you, Emma.
Yo, listen, just...
Mad move. You can't...
You see... Nah, brother, did you see? Why go that? We're in Croydon, people. I'm doing another mad thing today. You got me Ringo Vision there. Trust me, you see his episode is going viral tomorrow.
Viral.
But trust me.
Viral.
No, it's going viral.
No, Emma.
I can't even say what we're gonna do. I can't say yet.
It's a madness.
You gotta go and check it out tomorrow. Ringo Vision. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you know where to go, people. So big up Ringo Vision TV. You don't know today, people. We are cooking chicken in a melon.
In a melon?
Yeah, just the melon.
Just the melon?
Yeah, you know the yellow one?
The yellow one?
Yeah.
Come on, go look for one, man.
Yeah. Go on,
I've got a shop that I know. Yo, this way.
This way, yeah?
This way.
Okay. Oh, can't need chicken. Should we get chicken?
Chicken?
Yeah.
Man.
Can get chicken inside here, though.
Saucy, you get me?
Come on, blood. So basically, I'm gonna do a really simple thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the chicken breast, tie it up, nice and easy, so because quick and easy to cook, inside the melon. I feel like the peri peri. I do like peri peri. And I feel like melon.
For YouTube, bro, isn't it?
Yes, man.
Can I take a picture?
Of course you can, bro.
Yo, what going, G, bro?
Don't know, my G. Wait, that weren't bad, bro. £1.50. You get me? And we've got the peri peri. So if this works, then you know to just get peri peri seasoning. Big up them. Yeah. A nice shop there. So you have everything here in Croydon. So this is Ringo's place. You understand? I mean, Ringo's place now. 249. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn! Expensive. I'm gonna have a look next door, mate.
Next door, yeah.
Have a car, not everybody's rich. $1.99.
And then outside.
This is what I'm saying, bruv. This is why you gotta look sometimes.
Is that the right one, though, Emma?
This is the right one. Look, I've just saved myself 50p.
Yeah.
Come on, brother. Thank you. Respect. Yeah, so that's all we need for today. It's all right, thank you. That's all we need for today. We got our melon. Let me take it out of the bag so you can see what I've got. So this type of melon, we gotta deal with Ringo. All right, and the chicken. Good to go. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Otherwise, you're gonna lose all your toenails.
So, Emma, what going on?
So right, this is how we're gonna do it, Ringo. Look,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna. That weren't that straight, I'm gonna be honest, but it's alright. Because what we want is the smallest bit.
Yeah.
Right? So that's that there. And this is gonna be our pot. Yeah, this is what we're cooking in. So we just wanna cut out. Respect, my G. So how's things been? Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good, Emma. I'm just seeing this crowd, I'm seeing this style here.
Alright.
Yeah.
So this is original cook and vibe style.
Yeah.
Yeah, melon cooking. Alright. So you say, Mas. You know what? Jesus Christ! That's how we deal with it. So we're just taking out the seeds then. Right, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut around that flesh.
So you don't use that part of the melon?
Well, yeah. We're just gonna consume that.
We eat that?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We just. You know what I'm saying? So all just move out them seeds there. We ain't gonna waste that. We're not wasting this. See it there? Why? Enough people don't like the honey ones.
Yeah.
I like them. I think they're nice.
Yeah, me too.
So I want to leave some in there. I think that's about good. So that's our bowl. You get me? We got our chicken there. £1.50 from the butcher's down there, already seasoned. Do you know what I'm saying? So we ain't really got to do much.
Ready to go.
She's ready to go. So we're just gonna just cut it up. Not even that much, you know, Ringo. Look, you see all that? All that? That's kind of, maybe, do you know what? Just because it's going in there, I might cut it out one more time.
Get Miguel's jerk yard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why?
Ringo, light it up. That's what we do. Let's look where we are, people. Yeah, man, we're in Croydon. We're in Croydon, we're outside. Yeah, high street business. We don't care. It's how we're doing it. Outside, yep. Chicken cooked in a melon in the high street in Croydon. Why? Ringo Vision, cook and vibe. Why? See the melon there? We've got the chicken inside the melon, people. Look where we are. Look where we are. Well done there, Ringo. Look there. Why? Yeah, man. So basically, we're in Croydon High Street, right? And we've got our chicken in our melon. Peri. You get me? We're just gonna whack it on there from now, Ringo.
Quickly.
Yeah.
Ember, while this one is on there catching fire,
Yep.
this one here blaze.
Yeah, blaze it, and then we just
put it on top of it.
add it all together, and then we're just gonna.
Ember, you see when these light up, because this is foil.
Yeah.
We've got some more foil. We can put some more foil on top of this.
100%.
Some of the coal on top of this.
Yeah.
Make it cook.
Cook from the top. Yeah.
From
So
top to bottom.
yeah. So basically, yeah, I'm trying out my new microphone today, so they might not hear you too much clearly because I've got the microphone on. Testing it out, people. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Like he was saying, like we're gonna put a little bit of coal on top of here, as you can see here. We're gonna put a little bit of coal on top of that afterwards. You get me? So there's some heat coming in from the top. But why? Hey, Ringo done a mad thing today, people. Trust me. Look, we're in Croydon. Yeah, look, have a look around here. Let's see what I got. Yeah, man. We done business. You know our thing. We do it anywhere, any place.
Guys, we are on the run up to 50k. Yes, that's right. So don't forget to subscribe, please and thanks. Why?
Why? Yo, look from the melon over there. In the business, sir. Croydon, we're there. Chicken in the melon. Why?
Look, Ember, look what I've got on this.
See there, we're actually outside. We really are outside today, people. You get me? Yeah, man. Yeah. Look, Ringo, you're a bad boy, you know. You're a bad boy. Look. This is what he's done. He's just put the other one on top. There's heat coming from there, through the melon there. There's heat. You see me? Why? Why? So
You see the flame, people. Fire go
it's a blaze, man. It's a blaze, nicely.
The type of fire with the melon and the chicken going in.
Yeah.
Next time we'll put out some food down there, and some food up.
Yeah, you know how we do it. You know how we do it. But you know what it is, people, right? It's just a start of something. Me and Ringo are gonna be doing a mad things, like proper mad things. You see how you have Chunks and Philly? Yeah, we are gonna be the UK, we're gonna be the maddest cooks you've ever seen. We're gonna be doing the craziest stuff you've ever seen. You know Cook and Vibe already, but we're about to take it up to a next level.
Ringo Vision.
But Ringo Vision, they are. You see me? So it's gonna be between both channels. So today, you've got Chicken in a Melon in Croydon High Street. Tomorrow, you've got Ringo Vision. I can't tell you what it is yet. I'll let him tell you that. You know what I'm saying? But just know, both episodes are Nanama. Yo, so I know why your slogans lock up the place like Julius.
Yeah.
I know why. Because you're a lucky top.
Yeah.
We was having a little bit of problem.
Yeah.
Because we needed to get heat on top, people, right? So what we was having problems with was getting the heat to stay because it's bare breezy out here. That's why we're using the microphone, etc., etc. You know, hopefully this microphone works well. I can use it in the future. But yeah, it might lock up the place. Yeah, why? Yeah, You don't know, so it's a go on, it's a go on.
That's the heat there that's cooking the chicken right now, people.
Yeah.
So hopefully when we take off everything, it just
Hopefully.
finish.
Hopefully.
So what we say, how long more we get?
Well, I reckon we should get another 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, we'll give it another 10 minutes and see what I want. Cause I remember our chicken breast, so yeah. Wait! Caught ya. We catch him in the Ringo. Yeah, Mr. Win that deal with us today. Mr. Win, easy. Look, it's pure breezy. What do you say? You reckon it's ready? Yeah? All right. Oh yeah. Hold up, brother. He reckons it's ready, people. So I'm.
If it's not ready, at least 65%.
Yeah, no, it's got to be more than that. I'm gonna be honest, bro.
Mad, chicken is cooking.
It's cooking. Couple more minutes, but it's nearly done. It's nearly done. Look, all that piece there is probably all cooked, fam. Have a look at that properly. Look at that. Look at that, man. She's nearly done, people. She's nearly done. Literally another 10 minutes and she's ready.
Chicken cooked in a melon. Mad.
Woyoy. And there we have it. Woyoy, Ringo. It worked. It worked.
Mad move.
Get me?
I know joking.
Chicken cooked in a melon. In Croydon High Street.
Wait there, look how the melon now is stuck to the thing.
Yeah.
And it's all bubbling.
Yeah. Taste time. You know what I'm saying? So, get the chicken in there.
How that taste, Emma?
It's really nice. Yeah, the sweetness of the chicken just goes wicked with the melon. And the peri-peri, it just works wicked. You get me?
Mad.
So,
Melon cooked in a chicken.
yeah.
M.R. cooking vibes. Today is a wicked episode, people. A wicked episode. M. Big up yourself again.
Every time Ringo
you come from far to come link up and we're
don't
great
know,
in the air
fam.
today. Look at the skyline.
Woyoy! People, you know everything works. Big up section. I'll see you next time. Woyoy!
Woyoy people, I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button and press that subscribe button. Woyoy! See you next week. I'm going to be honest, people. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about the stuff that's about to show on Cook on Vibe and Ringo Vision. Trust me, so big up Ringo Vision every single time. You know anything, go make sure you go subscribe and follow him on Instagram as well. You get me? So big up section, big up Little Matt. You know what I'm saying? He says, swear down, bust my foot in Tunisia when I was on holiday with my mate and his family and had to have an operation. Never tasted anything like it when they fed me. Swear down, it was camel. Especially after all the curry goat I had. I thought it was alright, you know. So he said he enjoyed the camel. So they probably cooked it better than I did. Do you know what I mean? Maybe, yeah, I don't feel like I cooked it that well. So, but yeah, if you ain't seen the jerk camel episode, make sure you go check that out, the previous episode. You know what I'm saying? And also big up Egerton Kamara. You get me? Salute straight from Sierra Leone in Africa. And you're done on my G. You have been a supporter of mine from long time. Before I was even known and famous and these things here. So, bro, big up yourself, yeah? Because you're a real supporter from day one and I appreciate it. So, you lot, I love you lot. I'll see you soon. Bye.